You're in a long-term relationship, and because of a doctor's carelessness, your significant other dies. And now you want to know, can you bring a lawsuit against the careless doctor for wrongful death here in New York? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney, and the answer is no. Unless you are legally married to your significant other, you cannot bring a lawsuit for wrongful death against the careless doctor. So what do you do then? Well, then you're going to have to get the parents of your significant other to go ahead and bring a lawsuit for wrongful death against this careless doctor. But now you might be thinking, wait a second, if they are successful, ultimately are successful either by a settlement or by a jury verdict, and are able to obtain compensation for all the harms and losses that they suffered as well as you suffered, will you be entitled to receive a portion of that money? The answer is no, because you have no legal connection to your significant other under the eyes of the law. It doesn't matter whether you were in a common law marriage. It doesn't matter whether you were dating each other for 10 years. It doesn't matter whether people who saw you socially considered you to be husband and wife, or husband and husband, or wife and wife. It doesn't matter. The law only looks to see whether or not you were legally married to determine whether or not you have the ability, the capability, to go ahead and bring a lawsuit on behalf of your significant other, or whether you are considered a beneficiary under the law. If that person was not legally married, they now look to see, did they have any children? If there are no children, are the parents surviving? If there are no surviving parents, are there any siblings along the bloodlines? That's what the court looks to. So the mere fact that you considered yourself to be a spouse, but did not have that legal authority of being married, that's going to prevent you and inhibit you from going ahead and suing on behalf of your significant other. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in these medical malpractice cases, these accident cases, and these wrongful death cases here in New York. You know, I understand you're watching this video because you have questions or concerns about your own matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit, but haven't done so yet because you still have questions that need to be answered, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.